So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this curly hair. Yes, you guys, I am all about the curls. But this one, I still got to play around with it. I am going to probably pluck the front, but it's not that big of a deal. I really don't like plucking my wigs too much because the hair is gonna thin anyway. It's not a frontal. No, it's not. But the way I sewed this girl, I can just flip it from side to side. It's just a very cute, summery, relaxed look. So I'm going to show you guys how I applied it and also how I feel about the Ebin's Wonder Bond spray, the red spray, the red can. So if you guys want to see that, please stay tuned.
About me, I'm just bad girl and bad for everybody. And baby girl, don't tell your friends. Black nigga with her neck tat, respect that. Oh bitch, she ain't like that. She left that drop. Brand new, can't even get a hold with a nigga pose with a man like that. Smooth nigga do no rap. Yo girl, fast star, she an actress. She's so used to the light so bad. By the late LA like magic. Spin rapid, no plan, just glasses. I ain't happy. Then I told her, baby, fall in love. Ooh, fall in love. Wish I never did it. I don't want love. Fall in love. Ooh, fall in love. Wish I never did it. I don't want love. Girl, you know I'm too legit. Hitting up my mans that I be coolin' with. Cool again. Girl, I told you I ain't one to foolin' with. Not communicating, but I get that from my mama. It's a jungle of gorillas. Why you fuck with anacondas? I'm a Zulu Nation rep, but get that hammer like your honor. Keep it moving for my partners. Ain't no hooping in me, Casa ain't no hooping. She just bouncing at the juices, but I'm Fanta got the juice, and then I lost it up or two with my deposit last week. But I make that cat week, fact sheet. Hey, do not fall in love with that nigga rap sheet. Hey, you know I'm this out here really tryna pass me. Hey, young sister roll, keep that ish nasty. Hey, I don't know about them, but I do love. This right here, this that groove love. Hey, so what happened to love? This is in the shoot, kitchen new. Hey.
Respect it, oh bitch, she ain't like that. Respect it, oh bitch, she ain't
you guys, with the Wonder Lace Bond, you guys know boho, but I wanted to try something that was for lace itself. The Got To Be is just too messy for me. I saw some people reviewing this and I wanted to try it. I did get the small can because I'm very light-handed when it comes to products, and a lot of my wigs, this wig, especially when I make my wigs with HD lace, I really don't need any sprays, anything that I like. I don't have to wear it. I wear it because it flushes it to my skin a little better, other than HD lace. HD lace, I don't have to do anything but make my wig and put it on. But when I use like my Swiss lace, I like using this because it just molds it into the skin a little bit more. So yes, I do like this. The black to me does hold longer. I have had this wig on for a few hours and the black one holds longer, but this does still hold. Depending on how flesh or what kind of lace you use will show you which one really works better. But my wig, like I told you guys, is flesh, is made for my head shape and everything, so it just helps really secure like the lace, like make it a little bit more flesh. But I really didn't need this, if you guys saw in the video before I sprayed it. But I do like this. I have the yellow can. I'm gonna try that can next on another wig. So let me know below, guys, if you have tried this spray before and if you like it. I do like it. I do like it also when I use my boho liquid gold and then I reinforce this at the top. And I just spray it on my hand like I did in this video, and I just tap it in, baby. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any other questions, don't hesitate to leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and also my like to know it. I do have a like to know it that's always linked at the bottom. Thank you guys for watching.